Hi there, I will show you how to create an action that will help you quickly move objects and create patterns. This will be useful and will teach you how to create similar tool yourself. Here I will show you a useful tool for laser engraving, master those who are engaged in terracotta painting and want to create camouflage texture, and also for those who need to create cross-stitch patterns without buying special software.